Hello guys, do you want to organize your apps on your Android phone by grouping apps on the home screen? We've got you covered guys. In this video, I'll be showing you how to categorize our apps according to its function. Alright, let's get into it. Go to your home screen and choose the apps you want to group it. For example, I'm going to choose Instagram and we have to tap and hold on this Instagram, and then you gotta click select option right here. Click select, and then I'm going to choose Telegram and WhatsApp as well. Alright, and after that we can click create folder and give the folder name, for example, social media. Alright, and then you can add another app to this folder by clicking on this button, this plus button, like this. And you can choose the other app that you want to add to your folder. For example, I'll go with internet, and you can click done. Okay, alright, and this is the folder. This is the folder that we have just created. And if you want to ungroup the folder, you can simply delete the group. You have to tap and hold on the folder and click delete folder. Okay, and you have to click delete right here. Okay. Alright guys, that's how we can organize our apps on Android phone by grouping the apps. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!